Hey everyone, this is Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventures, and thank you so much for your patience. I want to let you know that Diamond Painter of the Month video, this is it. This is the release. So, number one, we're going to read through who was nominated and what their nominees said about them. Number two, we're going to select a winner. The winner is going to get an Archer Arts mini tray and lid sent to them. And number three, there is a special announcement at the end for those of you who would like to know more about how you could win prizes, how you can pass on the love to the next person. I no longer do Diamond Painter of the Month, but I do have a new adventure I want to try for 2021 as we continue through the next couple months. And please do not announce the name of the person who wins. I'd love for them to be surprised. If you see that that person has won and celebrate with them, but don't mention their name. It's just so nice to know if you're the winner or not. And I will be deleting any comments that have that person's name, not to be rude, but just to let that person feel the same amount of joy they would have felt if they hadn't seen their name. So thank you guys so much. I'm going to let you watch this video. Love you all. Take care. Bye-bye. Hey, welcome. This is what you guys have all been waiting for, and it is long overdue. It is Diamond Painter of the Month. You guys voted for people in your family, for community members, who you thought deserved a little shout out. And I want to go ahead and read those comments to you. And then at the end of the video, we are going to pick a winner. This is from February's Diamond Painter of the Month. I was finally able to get the Google Doc up on my computer, and we're going to go through it. I'm going to treat it a little bit like a whip and chat, so just sit back and listen, and we're going to go through the names. So the first, let's get up at the top. I do want to let you guys know that I am reading them off in order of how you guys gave them to me. I noticed that it stopped mid-February. So I don't know if it was a glitch in the Google Doc or if because I took February off for the most part, didn't send out many reminders that you just stopped nominating halfway through February. Let me know in the chat below, kindly please, if you believe you nominated somebody after mid-February, February 15th through 17th, and after, and the name was not, announced. If I get several people, then I'll know that there was a Google glitch. I don't have any control over Google, so we will figure something out and make sure that we do justice to who you nominated. So while we're just relaxing and diamond painting or crocheting or crafting, let's start. So the first person who was nominated was Abigail Marie 007. And your person said, she is so kind, sweet, and patient, is a dedicated addict, and brightens my day every day. She's hilarious, and I myself am inspired by her. There was a second Abigail Marie, and her virtual birthday party last weekend was a hoot. I've never seen anything quite like it. It was a great opportunity for both creators and subscribers to know one another. Abigail was the perfect host, such a sweetheart and so humble. So as you can see right off the bat, what the Diamond Painter of the Month is so that you guys can really just let the people know in your life who have inspired you, who have brought you joy, what they mean to you. It doesn't have to be a creator, it can be anybody. And so let's see, we have Wolfpack. I'm nominating Stephanie from Wolfpack Diamond Painting because every time I see her, she is fostering a cat or two. Not to mention, she always tries to show us her cat, Eli. She is always laughing a lot. She is just a doll. Her diamond paintings always turn out perfect. Her heart is so warm and empathetic to her YouTubers' problems. Thank you so much. Narada! This beautiful person loves to diamond paint and is so gracious by sharing that love with so many others. I think all her family and friends have been converted to diamond painting. Isn't that the truth with us diamond painters? We're like, oh, this is amazing. You have to do it. You have to do it. Okay, Ashley A. Known as Ashley's _ diamond bling. She is kind, sweet, and keeps diamond painting fun. With your rally, she has a wonderful Instagram and YouTube channel. She hosts events and is passionate about the craft. She participates in a lot in the DP community. She's very sweet, giving, and fun friend. All right, we have Amber of Amber's Diamond Painting. Because she's a sweet girl who struggled to grow her channel all by herself. She has no recognition from anyone in the DP community, and I feel she deserves the spotlight. We have Christy A. I have nominated this person because she is an amazing, strong, and resilient woman who has used diamond painting not only as a hobby, but also as therapy. She has faced some incredible trials over the past, but continues to overcome them while learning new tools and embracing diamond painting as one of them. I am so incredibly proud of her. All right, the next one we have is Vicky D, known as Okie Nurse 01 on Instagram. Even though I introduced her to diamond painting just last year, she has become such an inspiration to me. She keeps creating and finding new ways of working on her pieces, even when she's not feeling well or having pain. She has even started creating her own pieces on blank canvas, which is so fun to watch. Oh, how exciting! Oh, I love when creators just kind of pick up and let themselves be creative and think outside the box. How fun is that to watch? And I'm going to get a little drink here. All right. Linda H has been nominated, and your person says, my mom got me addicted to diamond painting and loves the craft herself and has always shared and taught me her crafts. Thanks, Mom. And then we have, let's see here, the Principal Painter. I had a beautiful collab with her. We got along great and talked over different issues of the world, though I don't watch the news. She has a beautiful heart and only wants everyone to be kind to each other as I do. She and her husband are beautiful inside and out. She loves diamond painting and enjoys collabing with many people. Thanks, Kara, for being friends with me. Guys, isn't this just fun to be able to give shout outs to people that just inspire you to be creative? All right, gotta scroll down. Okay, Kimberly W. My daughter Kimberly and I share the love of diamond painting. We both enjoy comparing our current projects and progress. We have even purchased the same exact kits a few times. Pictures of Shetland sheepdogs, as we both love them so much. Kimberly is an RN in an adult psychiatric ward, an often stressful job, especially now with COVID a constant concern. Diamond painting helps her relax and unwind after a hard day. Oh, amen to that. I give you props. I'm there for you. If you need any extra hugs and support, a fellow person who works in the mental health field is here for you, Kimberly. All right, Dawn Marie. She is an amazing person and extremely talented in many crafts. She introduced me to diamond painting, and it has been awesome having something creative to do. It helps with my depression and anxiety. Dawn Marie is always thinking of others before herself. An example was at Christmas, I was stuck in the house depressed that my vacation wasn't going as planned. She showed up with 2 diamond paintings and 2 cross-stitch kits to keep me busy and my mind off the bad stuff. She is a wonderful person and best friend. Thank you so much for nominating. You guys are the best. Just letting these people know how much they are there for you and inspire you. It's just such a blessing to me to be able to read and share the love. So let's keep going. We have Courtney S. Courtney has been way more than a friend to me. She has always will be family. When I first moved to a town that I knew no one, she welcomed me with open arms and made me feel at home from day one. During the 9 years that she was my neighbor, she was always here to help me with anything, getting me to the doctor's appointments, helping with the kids, and even help care for my wound after a surgery I had. When the day came that I had to move out of town away from her, everyone that was supposed to help us move, for whatever reason, didn't show up. But she and her husband once again stepped up at the very last minute to help us. I've never in my life met a more caring and giving person. She is not only like this with me, but with anyone that comes into her life that needs help. If she can help, she does. She runs a daycare and goes above and beyond, not only the kids, but the parents also. I tell her all the time, girl, I have no idea how you do everything that you do. Love you, Courtney, and I miss being next door to you. Hope to see you soon. We have Melissa. I believe this is Nana of 7 Crafts. All right, I've been friends with Melissa since I first started my YouTube channel. She is one of the most caring and kind-hearted people I know. I've yet to meet her in person, but I know in my heart that one day I will and finally get that hug I've been waiting so long for. I have spent so many nights and days on the phone together, laughing and sometimes even crying. She has been there for me through so very hard times in my life and also some amazing times. I'm so lucky to have met her and have her as an amazing friend. Love you, Melissa. Guys, you're making me cry. Oh, the love that is in this community if you let it be there, right? If you just let other things wash off and you pick and choose and you're just there for one another. It's amazing. Okay, we have Jessica H. I am so proud of my daughter after the terrible tragedy that happened to her, being shot multiple times and still being here. I look at you not as a victim of a crime, but a strong warrior. I see how excited you are to get back to work on your TSA Harley Quinn painting. I see all the worries, fears, PTSD, and anxiety just melt away on your face. Put a smile on your face and a sparkle in your eye, even if it's hours of not having things run through your mind. It's truly exciting to see what this craft all helps you with. You sure deserve to be picked because you let nothing stop you and are a strong woman, and we all love and thank God every day because we still have you in our lives. Amen to that. Thank you for the shout out for your daughter. All right, and last but not least is Brandy with Mystery of Diamonds. Absolutely love how excited she gets in unboxing. When she talks, she has so much enthusiasm. She truly makes me smile. I genuinely have fun with Brandy. She has a positive vibe and always shows excitement. She has a bubbly personality. It's so refreshing. Love, love Brandy. All right. So, guys, that was who was nominated for the month of February. My Google Doc shows it was through February 14th. So if for some reason it was a Google glitch, just kindly, please kindly let me know and we will figure something out. But I did not want the people that are showing up on the list to be kept waiting. So what are they going to get? Well, I put together a wheel picker with everybody's names on it. You can see here. And I'm going to do a spin, and whoever wins is going to get from me, not this color. I repeat, not this color. But they're going to get an Archer's Arts mini tray with lid. So I'm going to order it offline of some of the current colors, and we're going to get that sent out right away as soon as I make contact with the winner. So here we go. We're going to do a little spin, spin, spin to the left, spin to the right. Are you ready? Do, 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 do. Do, 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 do. Okay, Abigail. So Abigail M is the winner. So we will be contacting Abigail and asking her for her information so I can send that out. Now, if you waited long till the end of this, I want to tell you, and I will do a separate video as well for this. I am going to, because I don't do Diamond Painter of the Month anymore, I wanted to still give you guys an opportunity to bless one another. And so what I plan on doing is I am actually going to, let me grab it. I bought this off of Amazon, and it is full of cards. It is absolutely full of cards. And what I plan on doing is I plan on randomly picking people to send smilegrams to. I am going to be putting in there, and I have stamps and everything, and I'm going to be writing to them, and I'm going to share my heart and how much I appreciate them. And what I'd like to do is encourage you. Okay, I want to encourage you to send out at least one smilegram per smilegram video. And so I am going to be producing a video this weekend about smilegrams. And in that video, I'm going to ask people to make a comment of yes or no, whether it's the honor system, sent out smilegrams. And then we're going to do a drawing. But yeah, so there'll be lots of details. All the logistics will be in there. But this is a way that you guys can continue to bless and pass forward a way to encourage one another in the community beyond just being on YouTube or Instagram or Facebook. So thank you guys so much for being there. I love you all. Thank you for your patience and for blessing people. Also, down below, please do not put who won because I want that person to be surprised. I will delete your comment if the person's name is mentioned. So I love you all. Take care. Bye-bye.